In this video, we will discuss Ecomhunt Review 2022. Looking for the complete up-based Ecomhunt review? Don't worry, I have got the right video for you. I bet you hear this often. You can start a dropshipping business with zero cost investment. But what you don't often hear is that the profit does not always come flying. You need to invest in social media marketing, do lots of e-commerce SEO, and after that you still not guarantee that your chosen product is actually going to sell fast. I have seen several people start a dropshipping business and quickly give up along the way. Actually, did you know in 2017 alone 23% of all online stores were fulfilled through the dropshipping model, which is equal to rough $83 billion per year. Now, with the advent of fast selling product searching tools, you can actually start making your money back in the first week of starting your dropshipping business. The good news is that searching tools of winning products cost little is nothing to affordable. While the bad news is more and more are popping up every day, so making it difficult to choose the right tool from the wrong one. As a result of this, I have decided to handpick a few actually used and reviewed it. How does Ecomhunt works? Simple put, Ecomhunt saves you the stress of searching for hot and fast selling products online. Instead, you can focus on their things that matter for your e-commerce business. Ecomhunt updates several products on a daily basis for its uses, and which of course are specially handpicked by experts. The product updated include the following data: profit analysis, engagement, links, Facebook ads, provide videos, Facebook gathering, etc. Which having access to the winning products, users can virtually sell the product on any e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce. Ecomhunt give it your access to new selling and winning product on the daily basis. Another interesting thing about Ecomhunt is once you have links to stores selling their winning products already, you can also from there have access to other trending products or their best selling products that you can add to your store. The best part about Ecomhunt is that they also offer a 30-day money back guarantee of their service. With this, you can rest assured with it your expectations are not met within the 30 days. You can simply get your refund. Here we discuss what's included in Ecomhunt winning product. The first one is keyword product title. The second one is product image. All product image provided alongside the products on Ecomhunt are clean, high quality images that can be downloaded and reused on your own e-commerce store. Product description. Product save button. The button allows user to save any product they like on Ecomhunt to their favorite and come back to check them later. Ecom expert consultant. Jack catching is also always available on Facebook Messenger as you one-on-one product consultant on any question you would like to ask. This is one of the features that made Ecomhunt stand out, and you will not see something like this on other winning product tools. Product saturation inspection. The saturation inspection lets you know how viral the product has gone among other sellers selling the products. This shows the total number of stores selling the product already. The higher the number of more saturated the product is and vice versa. Your profit and cost. The profit and cost indicator also lets you know what the product is going to cost from the supplier and the potential profits to be made on the product. Product engagement and social media. Link to supplier. Link to supplier are the link that lead you to the actual profit from the supplier. This feature is however limited to the paid users only. Facebook ads and targeting. This is another paid feature of Ecomhunt, and this is especially good for those with little to own experience with Facebook ads. Ecomhunt membership plan and pricing. Ecomhunt free membership plan. The free membership plan gives you access to 2 products on a daily basis but with very limited data. Other daily update product will be released to the free member after the third day. With the free plan, you will not be able to gain access to the following: targeting, ads, product links, store already selling the products, engagement, etc. Ecomhunt Pro membership plan. However, the Pro membership plan, on the other hand, gives you access to all there is about Ecomhunt. You will get access to full product data like links to store already selling the products, ads, video targeting, Facebook ads, etc. Ecomhunt pricing discount. The Ecomhunt pricing discount allows users to enjoy a 41% annual discount if they option in for the actual subscription plan of $17 per month instead of the usual $20 per month. And of course, the free plan is forever free, so user can sign up with the free plan and upgrade whenever they want to. An additional cool features, you will have access to a member or user in the Ad Hunter extension, which will be explained subsequently. Link to suppliers and existing selling stores. The feature makes dropshipping so easy that you can scale it up to any extent. Like I said earlier, using the free membership plan is going to limit your benefits for Ecomhunt, and all the good features are available for the pro members. This one is exclusive to pro members. With this, you will be giving link to the actual supplier of the product on AliExpress. While from there you can easily import the product either using Ali Dropship plugin for WordPress or WooCommerce, or simply using Obler if you are on Shopify platform already.